Ah, what a beautiful day in the country setting. The grass is green and it's all beautiful. What's this? Looks like a steam engine is coming. Looks to be a passenger train.
Shiny passenger train coming through!
Ah, this passenger engine is pulling a special passenger train with a yellow paint scheme. Here we have the sleeping car where passengers can sleep in comfortable berths without any issues. Ooh, and a dining car where chefs and employees cook a lot of delicious foods and bring whatever hungry people want to eat. Ooh, sounds tasty, isn't it? And we got some workers working in the kitchen getting some ingredients ready. Ooh, and a parlor car where passengers can look out of big plate glass windows and see all the sights. Wow. Cool. And here we have the baggage car which can hold storage and baggage and suitcases. Now it is 10 a.m. and we got a freight train coming.
Look out! An important delivery coming through!
A whistle on the train. Oh, we got some containers full of heaters, machinery, printing presses, heading to the city. Now it is lunch hour, and we got another freight train coming. Oh, an old copper-colored locomotive pulling some goods.
Way to the street to drop off the goodies at the factory and market.
And let's see what's inside of those cars. Maybe some ingredients for sweets. Let's see. Ooh, this guy got lucky. He's carrying some refreshing drinks and some sweets and candy. Well, the final train for the day. And what's this? A slow goods train led by a blue and green locomotive?
Coming through.
Yep, a slow goods train that stops at specific stations and yards so they can pick up more is off to the city. They're gonna stop there at the city so they can continue to work tomorrow. Well, it looks like the engines are having a nice rest after working their jobs and deliveries. But I hope you enjoyed the documentary. Good night.